Hello guys, welcome to the WebAppick channel. In this video we'll learn how to make product feeds for subscription products. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can do this. If we wanted to use subscription products in our site, we need the help of an additional plugin. So we'll be using WooCommerce Subscription as this is compatible with our plugin. As you can see, WooCommerce Subscription is developed by WooCommerce. Right now in our site, as you can see, I already have the WooCommerce subscription plugin installed. So let's go ahead and configure some products. I'll go to products. I've created magazine as a subscription product. Now let's go ahead and configure it. I'll change it from a simple product to simple subscription. Here the first field that you need to populate is the price of the subscription. Let's say the price of the subscription is $120. And it's for every year. Now that you've done that, let's go ahead and update it. There we go. Now our subscription product is ready to go. Let's go ahead and create a new feed for our subscription product. Let's go new feed, template. Let's use Google Shopping. Let's name the file subscription product. XML is fine, USD looks all good. Let's add a category, magazines and newspaper. To add the attributes for a subscription product, let's go ahead and check what the requirements are from Google Merchant. So let's go to Google, let's look up subscription, Google Merchant. And if we scroll down and look at it, we can see that these are the required fields. We need the period, we need the period length and the amount. As you can see down here, this is what the XML feed will look like. You've got the period once again, the period length and the amount. So now let's go back to our feed and configure this. Under our feed, I'm going to add new attribute. The first field was the subscription period. Let's see if we can find it. There we go, subscription period, attribute, subscription period. Let's add another one. The second was the period length. There we go, subscription period length. And we're going to change this to subscription period interval. Cool. Add new attribute. Last but not the least, let's see. There we go, subscription amount. That's what I was looking for. Subscription amount. Let's go ahead, update and generate this feed. Now let's take a look at our feed. If we scroll down, we can see the new attributes that we have added. Subscription period shows if it's yearly or monthly. As you can see, this one is a year. The length shows the number of years, which is 1 year for us. And here you can see the dollar amount. It's 120. However, under this dollar amount, we can't see the currency. So let's go ahead and fix this in our feed. Let's go to our feed right here. Scroll down. And under here, we can add a suffix. So this will be USD. Let's update and generate this feed. Now let's take a look at our feed. Voila, in our new feed, as you can see, now that we have added the suffix, we can now see the currency, which is USD. There you go guys. Now you know how to make a product feed for your subscription products. If you have any issues or questions, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webappick.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.